Okay, I won't go into the advanced settings. The main reason is you can read as good as I can. I still encourage you guys, go through it when you go into mapping. It's quite powerful, we can do it here. In the advanced one, you can have macros, so you can define whole macros which replace other bits and pieces. So it is very, very powerful if you use the full extension of it. For the exercise we're going to do today, we do a basic. I really want to give you all guys just a feeling for it. Okay, what can we do? How do we use it? Where do we set the mapping and these bits and pieces? That's the example we might go through. You won't use the school, but you will use the student personal instead. The mapping really, where it fits best, you see here is an event iterator that retrieves some data from a database. Don't worry too much what that does internally. All it returns is a result, which has a normal result set in there. For the guys using Java, it's the standard SQL result set. For the guys using .NET, it's not a result set as such, it's a data set. Which is normally returned something like this. And you map then, the data set mapping works exactly the same. It's just about a few checks. But all you do, you go invoke the result set adapter, called dataset adapter in the .NET, throw in the result set and say to which type of object that should be mapped. And after that, it's all set up. Your iterator, you guys remember, iterator implements things like get next, or has next, and get. So get next event. There you just call on the adapter called the map function. Match if it does everything. You tell them what event you want to make an event. That's it. That's the coding for the mapping. The rest is in config file. And then the adapter has next function on it. So you just use that, return it. That's it. You've written your event iterator using mappings. A couple things on that. While that all looks pretty good, that result set adapter is actually not something that comes out of the box. It's something I had to write. In Java, nothing comes out of the box as far as these adapters is concerned. The guys who do .NET, they're in a much better situation. The ADK actually provides 2 or 3 adapters, dataset adapter and
there's data row.
Data row adapter, sorry.
There's a data reader, data row, and hash map and string.
Yeah, so they have quite a nice selection, so it makes it a bit easy for the .NET out of the box. But I have been nice for a change. I didn't let you guys do that. I actually wrote the result set adapter. I've got some code from Andrew Elmhorst, who did the other presentation as well. He had a result set adapter, a fairly basic one. I advanced it a little bit. So you guys can use that in the exercise. I'll show you the result set adapter. And you see I can actually write a little code occasionally as well. All it comes down to is really when you write adapters, and you might have to, and we have an exercise here, an optional exercise, writing the CSV file adapter, which reads a CSV file, and then you can map from a CSV file to objects. But you have to write that adapter if you want that. The thing is, oh, I've gone one line too far. All you do, kinda, is implement a certain interface called field adapter. So you implement the field adapter. That CSV adapter I was talking before doesn't exist in .NET either. The field adapter does. So that exercise is the same in both cases. And then you implement the methods it wants. It's an interface, as you can see. There's a few methods. You can implement them. Have a peek in the result set adapter because that gives you some hints how you can do it. It's an optional exercise because that might be a bit of work, also testing.
For the .NET people, because there's already default implementations, if you want to create your own CSV adapter for the exercise, we'll probably base it off UX results set adapter, because this is one implementation of the interface. The CSV adapter will be another implementation, but it's basically the same code, should be the same classes basically. But whereas .NET uses I in front of all interfaces, so this you should be aware of that.